Welcome! In this video, we will discuss about is our solar system heading towards a dangerous cosmic collision? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and enjoy. What if our entire solar system is on a collision course with something massive, something unseen, something that could change life as we know it? For years, scientists have studied the movements of planets, stars, and galaxies, but recent discoveries suggest that our solar system might not be as safe as we once thought. Could there be a cosmic event unfolding right now that threatens our very existence? And if so, is there anything we can do about it? Today, we're diving deep into one of the most unsettling questions in astronomy. Are we heading toward a dangerous cosmic collision? Stay with us as we uncover the shocking possibilities, explore the latest scientific insights, and reveal what this could mean for the future of humanity. Our solar system isn't just floating peacefully in space. It's actually moving at an incredible speed, traveling through the Milky Way galaxy at roughly 514,000 miles per hour. But here's the catch. Space isn't empty. It's filled with rogue planets, wandering stars, and massive clouds of interstellar debris. Think of our solar system like a car speeding down a highway. Most of the time, the road is clear. But what if something unexpected suddenly appeared in our path? Scientists have been studying the movement of nearby stars, dark matter structures, and even entire galaxies to determine if a collision could be in our future. And recent data suggests that we may not be as safe as we once believed. From approaching star systems that could disrupt planetary orbits to unseen forces lurking beyond the Oort Cloud, the idea of a cosmic collision is more than just science fiction. It's a real possibility that could have unimaginable consequences. So, what exactly is out there and how worried should we be? Let's dive deeper. Recent astronomical data has uncovered something that could change how we think about the safety of our solar system. Scientists have identified a nearby stellar system, Gliese 710, that is on a direct course toward us. Currently, located about 62 light-years away, this rogue star is moving at speeds that will bring it dangerously close to our solar system in the distant future. But here's where things get even more unsettling. Gliese 710 is predicted to pass right through the Oort Cloud, the vast shell of icy debris that surrounds our solar system. This could unleash a chaotic storm of comets and asteroids, sending countless space rocks hurtling toward Earth and the inner planets. To put this into perspective, imagine shaking a snow globe filled with billions of icy fragments, except in this case, each fragment is a potential earth-shattering impactor. While this collision course is predicted to happen in about 1.3 million years, there could be other hidden threats lurking much closer. Scientists are also investigating the influence of dark matter and gravitational anomalies that could destabilize planetary orbits, shifting cosmic objects in unpredictable ways. Could there be an unseen force pulling us toward catastrophe? Or is there another celestial giant hiding in the darkness waiting to be discovered? Let's take a closer look. What if our solar system isn't just drifting through space, but is actually being pulled towards something massive and unknown? Some scientists speculate that our galaxy is filled with hidden forces, like dark matter structures or rogue black holes, that could be influencing our solar system's trajectory in ways we don't fully understand. Could an unseen gravitational force be slowly guiding us toward a cosmic collision we can't yet detect? Another fascinating theory suggests that interstellar objects like Oumuamua, an elongated, fast-moving visitor from deep space, might be the first warning signs of something larger approaching. What if these mysterious objects aren't just random space debris, but fragments of a much bigger event unfolding on a galactic scale? Some even propose that our solar system could one day be caught in the gravitational pull of another star system, leading to dramatic shifts in planetary orbits and potentially even altering Earth's position in the habitable zone. And then there's the most mind-bending theory of all. What if our entire understanding of cosmic motion is incomplete? Some researchers believe that space-time itself could be shaped by hidden dimensions, meaning our solar system could be on a collision course with something beyond our comprehension. Could our reality be heading toward a cosmic event that rewrites everything we know? As we dive deeper, let's explore what the evidence really tells us. If you thought our solar system was safe, think again. The latest models predict that when Gliese 710 makes its closest approach, it could send millions of comets hurtling toward the inner solar system. Some of these icy projectiles could be the size of mountains, traveling at speeds fast enough to cause planet-wide destruction. And here's the terrifying part. This isn't just speculation. Scientists have found evidence that past cosmic events like this may have triggered mass extinctions on Earth. Could history be repeating itself? But that's not all. Some researchers believe that Gliese 710 might not be the only threat. There could be an unseen cosmic giant, an unknown planet, a rogue black hole, or even a dark matter anomaly, slowly drawing our solar system toward an unavoidable fate. What if everything we thought we knew about our solar system's stability was wrong? Could we be on the edge of discovering an even greater cosmic force at play? As we confront these chilling possibilities, let's take a moment to examine the skeptic's perspective. Because not everyone believes a doomsday collision is inevitable. Not all scientists believe that our solar system is facing an imminent cosmic disaster. While the approach of Gliese 710 is undeniable, some experts argue that the chances of a direct impact from cometary debris are relatively low. According to astrophysicists, while Gliese 710's gravity will disturb the Oort Cloud, most of the ejected objects will either be flung out into deep space or remain in stable orbits. In other words, Earth might dodge the worst-case scenario. Others point out that cosmic collisions are a natural part of the universe's history. Our solar system has likely experienced similar close encounters before, yet life on Earth has persisted for billions of years. Some scientists even believe that such events may have played a role in delivering water and organic compounds to early Earth, potentially contributing to the origins of life itself. And then there's the question of hidden cosmic forces. While dark matter and rogue celestial objects remain intriguing mysteries, there is no solid evidence suggesting that an unknown gravitational force is pulling us toward disaster. Space, after all, is vast. Most objects pass by without ever coming close enough to cause harm. So, should we really be worried? Or is this just another reminder that, in the grand scheme of the universe, our existence is far more fragile and unpredictable than we like to believe? Let's wrap up with what this all means for our future. The universe is a place of constant motion and unimaginable forces, and our solar system is no exception. Whether it's the approaching Gliese 710, the potential chaos it could unleash, or the mysterious gravitational forces shaping our galaxy, one thing is clear: our place in the cosmos is far more dynamic than we once believed. While some experts argue that the risks are low, others suggest that cosmic events like these have shaped the history of our planet in ways we're only beginning to understand. So, what do you think? Are we on a collision course with disaster, or will this simply be another chapter in the ever-evolving story of our solar system? Could hidden cosmic forces be at play, guiding our fate in ways beyond our comprehension? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the mysteries of space, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more cosmic discoveries, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep looking up, because the universe is full of surprises.